I want to thank all of you. Obviously, the cost and lack of choice is the main issue here. But I think we all agree the main issue are these children and their families. And how are they going to manage child care for their children? How are they going to manage to get back to work? What's most effective in rural and urban America? And it's almost like Ben said, there's a system out there that can be improved upon, as Susan said as well. So it's not like we're trying to fix a broken system. So I want to thank Richard Burr for really highlighting this issue, because it's been kind of hidden. And there shouldn't be anything hidden about child care for our children. Now, I have 7 grandchildren, and I know Mitt Romney has at least 3 times more than that, maybe 4. Maybe 4 times more than that. But of the 7, 6 of them have been in faith-based daycare. My children were in faith-based daycare when they were younger. It's a system that's local, that works. It has a quality education, has standards, and it works in conjunction with other private and public offerings of child care. I just talked with 6 actual faith-based daycares in our state that have been in operation probably collectively for at least 100 years. And one of them said it's already more difficult to find staff. This bill would escalate that and make it much more difficult. If non-faith-based care is being subsidized, it will lower overhead for non-faith-based institutions, and it would put them at a continued competitive advantage over faith-based. There's also a requirement in there that you have to provide transportation to these. Think about that. Instead of going to the church that's maybe in your small community that's been offering daycare for years, you're now going to put your 3-year-old on a bus, and in West Virginia, you can be on a bus for an hour to get to your public school. I mean, that to me is eliminating choice for our parents. I'd like to thank Tanya Neal from Tays Valley Christian Daycare. She said, and it was a great quote, "Where the money comes, so does the control." And I think that's what you see. As many as have said, the control is wanting to be in Washington by the Democrats in this bill, and that's what the structure that they've put together. So I thank you for highlighting a great topic. This is very important, and I think not enough people are talking about it, but it's going to impact a lot of families all across this country. Thank you.